Do you need help planning your home renovation? There's no need to worry. Collaborate with Odell Construction, where an expert designer will guide you through each step. Odell Construction offers integrated design, project management, and construction services all under one roof. So, trust us with the details and experience a stress-free remodel. Do you want to learn more? Here's our step-by-step process. Step 1. Contact us. Feel free to fill out the online form now. This form allows you to provide information about your pain points and objectives. Step 2. The initial phone call. The initial conversation takes place before the consultation, allowing you and your designer to dive deeper. Your designer will also set you up with an on-site consultation. Step 3. The on-site consultation. During the consultation, your designer will take some initial measurements. Here you can provide additional information regarding your needs and desires. Step 4. The proposal. The proposal is an estimated range that will give you an idea of the investment needed to complete the requested scope of work. Step 5. The design agreement. With an agreed-upon project proposal and investment range, proceed to the design phase by signing the design agreement and putting down a design retainer. Step 6. The design phase. Your design team will develop several layout options based on your needs. Here you will discover solutions that can improve your home and lifestyle. Step 7. The construction drawings. Now, your designer and field team work on solidifying the final details. We investigate thoroughly to ensure no surprises. Obtain all appliance specifications and double-check all measurements. Step 8. The construction agreement. At this stage, you and your designer will agree upon the lump sum investment, final scope, and a rough timeline. Step 9. Project development. During this phase, we finalize all drawings, obtain permits, and create all purchase orders. Step 10. Construction begins. During construction, you can relax while the field team handles all the details. Now all that's left to do is fall in love with your new home. Scan to get started today.